This is the letter K. What is the sound of the letter K? The sound of the letter K is K. Come on, say it with me. K. K. Now, let's see what starts with the letter K. This is a K key. K key. Excellent work. Now we are at the park. Can you spot what words have the letter K? First, this is a K kitten. What is it? K kitten. K kitten. Next, we have skin. 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 Then we have basket. What do we have? Basket. Basket. Next up, we have kite. Let's say it together. Kite. Kite. And finally, we have park. Park. One last time. Park. Great job, everyone. Now, it's your turn to say the letter K.